In primetime news this evening, trouble in a compound. Maroon leader gets death threats over protected lands and staging illegal parties. We're not straying. NHT says Ruthven Towers development is part of fulfilling their mandate. And half the number of private doctors approved to administer COVID vaccine still unable to do so.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the financial week, Primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your views on the dispute between the Maroon chief and some residents of a compound in St. Elizabeth? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.